Welcome everybody to part 2 of our general install video for our panel system. In this video we're going to show you how to cut our panels plus our top cap frame components. So our first step is to measure our length and width on all 4 sides to allow for expansion and contraction. Next, peel back the protective film 1 inch all the way around the panel so that when we install the top caps later, no protective film is stuck behind it. Please be sure to use our AL13 suction cups when picking up our panel. This will help ease of installation throughout the process. Once you've positioned your panel in place, then your next step is to measure from inside of your 2 verticals. This allows for expansion and contraction on your extrusion side. And now we're showing you that we're installing our top panel above our last panel we just installed, and we're engaging our top cap that we just cut, and now we just repeat everything as we go down the wall. So one thing to take away from this is we always install our horizontals first in the field of plane, and then our verticals will always go last. And the reason for that is we like to have our horizontals tucked in behind our verticals. This allows for a perfect installation and gives us our pressure equalization for our ALMA 508 rain screen certification. Remove the film off the panels and wipe it down with a nice damp cloth. And that's all you got to do.
Subscribe.